I'm going to show you 7 functional fitness moves. By working these functional fitness moves into your routine, your body will be better prepared to move with these as you age. Let's get started. Number 1, squat. Of all the functional fitness moves that help with longevity, the classic squat tops the list. It's the largest movement in the body and forces you to engage everything from your core through your glutes all the way down to your toes. The squat enables us to move from a seated position to a standing one without the need of using your arms or the assistance of anything else. Once you feel comfortable with the standard squat, you can amp things up with one of the more challenging variations. Number 2, rotation. Rotation is involved when we get out of bed, get up off the floor, and even to check over our shoulder when driving. Practicing our range of rotation will help us maintain our independence as we get older. A resistance band twist is a great way to build strength in your obliques, which are responsible for all the rotation-based moves you perform in your daily life, like opening the fridge or moving side to side. Number 3, hinge. Hinging at your hips is critical for doing things like tying your shoes, picking things up from the ground, and reaching down to open low cabinets. Maintaining the ability to hip hinge allows us to maintain personal self-care. To do hinging movements like kettlebell swings and deadlifts properly, think about sending your hips back and using your core and the muscles in your lower body to propel them forward. Doing hinging movements with weights works your whole posterior chain. Number 4, push. Pushing, a la opening a door or pushing your chair back from the desk at the end of the day, is another important motion you'll need to be able to do throughout your life. Pushing motions require the use of your chest, shoulders, triceps, quadriceps, and core, which are just about all of the spots you hit when you drop into a standard push-up. Another fantastic pushing exercise is the shoulder press, which works the pushing muscles in a different plane. Number 5, pull. Think of pulling motions as the opposite of pushing ones. Pulling workouts, particularly pull downs, are important for keeping your back strong. They work the latissimus dorsi muscles, aka the big muscles right under your shoulders that control your scapula, and help give you better posture and alignment, prevent injury, and combat the effects of computer work. Using resistance bands for your upper body workouts is a great way to work those pulling muscles in your regular routine. Number 6, lunge. The lunge has plenty of different variations. It's a dynamic movement that works your muscles and joints in different planes of motion and primarily targets your glutes and quads. The lunge is vital for climbing stairs and going uphill. The returning to the starting position of the lunge is very quad intensive. Lunges are great for both warm-ups and strength building. Number 7, gait. Walking is one of the best types of movements you can do for your overall health. After all, there's a reason why it's the most popular exercise among the world's longest living people. A quality gait helps us walk in alignment, which allows us to walk comfortably and with correct posture. Working on your gait, whether by way of logging multiple mile runs or stepping outside for a stroll, is one of the best things you can do for longevity. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on the playlist for more fitness tips. That's it. That's all. See you next time.